This machine is in service upon arrival. We're going to go ahead and do a full inspection and service. Hydraulic fluid looks good here. There's no leaks. Fluid level is good. Coupler looks good. Heating up the chains. All the limit switches look good. And we're just checking all the wire terminal connections. Everything I've checked so far, slightly loose overall. Control circuit fuse is a bit loose. These wire terminal connections, as well as the ones to the fuses here. But we are back in service. Everything's been lubricated. The chains, the hinges, the turnbuckle. The only recommendation I have on this machine is routine. Replace the in-tank suction screen filter. It's pretty windy, dusty environment. That's it. Other than that, the machine works good.